Well, we're out here at daybreak, and we're gonna try a little guided fishing trip here with Justin from Clean Fun Fishing. He's a great guy. If y'all have never been out with him, you need to. He's just such a nice person. So I'll be back in a little while, hey, hopefully with some hookups. Just had a bump. Yep. Justin hammers another one. Pretty little guy. Yeah, they are.
They get bigger and they're not so pretty.
That's why they call them the big uglies. Sure.
Okay.
Oh yeah, that's a good one. Yeah, but we don't want 15-inch drum. If they're, 18 or 20. Yeah. Yeah, that could be okay. Yeah. Yeah, what we found is like the 15-inchers and 16-inchers, there's just not much meat on them. Oh, absolutely. Yeah, I just got another bump on the gulp. But that's all they are, is just little bumps. Nah, let him go. Yep, Justin's got one on. About the same size as that last one I caught.
Yeah.
Yep. Could be. Because it's more like an actual boat. Has some sides on it.
Yeah.
Yeah, you took out two old people that aren't going to pedal fast. I mean, I can get it cranking. Yeah. 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 Yeah, we could have kayak races. But not in the wind. Yeah, you do.
If you were on that side, you'd be screwed. It would be, I've gotten that with 25 miles an hour. It's pretty tough.
Yeah. Yeah.
It'll be a long spot there.
Oh, you bet it will. I mean, you just look across there.
All that wind off of the shore, right there.
Mm-hmm. I'm okay where I'm at over here on this side of you. I'll try to drop in and come behind you. Alright. Thank you, thank you. Oh, thank you.
Your legs might be tired. Hang on.
Woo!
To me for a second.
No, my heel's sunk in the mud.
You got something stuck. There it is. Okay.
Yep.
Can I walk you in, or you okay?
Well, my feet are stuck. That's what I hate about these bays and wade fishing.
Yeah.
You're on shell,
Yeah.
and then you're sinking this deep in the mud. And when you're short,
It's kind of dangerous too.
yeah, it is.
Certain areas, because if you sink in the mud, especially for me, you cut your ankles.
It does.
But I know, I kind of know,
I cut myself bad on some oysters yesterday.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, I know where we can get out and not sink. You know, there's some other
Right.
areas
Shit.
that people launch at, and I don't launch there because that issue is right there.
Oh yeah.
So.
We were wade fishing one time, and I told him I thought it was muddy back in there, and it was, but we were okay till we started walking out, and then we were actually up on dry land, just where some tidal pools were.
Yeah.
And all of a sudden, I was knee deep, a little bit deeper than knee deep.
Yeah.
And he was walking ahead of me, and he didn't hit it.
Yeah.
And I yelled at him to come back so I could throw my rod and reels and all my stuff to him.
Yeah.
And what's he doing? Don't turn over, Bob. There. Oh, he's pulling his rudder up. Anyway, as I got out of it, I mean, I had to fall forward to get out of it. It's kind of like being up in deep snow.
Yeah.
And put my hands down and crawled out of it, and it pulled my shoes off.
Really?
And he said, well, I think we ought to go back after your shoes. And I said, you are welcome to go dig in that stinky shit if you want to.
Right.
I said, I can buy more shoes.
Yeah.
I'm going to open the car up real quick.